The number of renal pyramids present in one kidney ranges from The correct answer is 7 to 18. Renal pyramids are described as the conical shaped masses of tissues. The space between the renal pyramids is called The correct answer is renal columns. Which structures are contained in the renal medulla region?
Across the sea, mail them to the wrong address.
The correct answer is loop of Henle and collecting ducts. Where is the urine collected within the kidney before passing to the ureter? The correct answer is renal pelvis. The urinary system is also known as The correct answer is renal system. Which of the following correctly lists the organs associated with the urinary system? The correct answer is kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Option number A. Urine flows down towards the urinary bladder through which structure?
I was almost there, but the monkeys, they all
The correct answer is ureter. The length of the ureter is approximately
now appearing nowhere. Let's go to
The correct answer is 25 to 30 centimeters. The ureters are connected anteriorly with
You can cut me in half.
The correct answer is renal pelvis. The ureters are connected posteriorly with The correct answer is urinary bladder. The urinary bladder in an adult can hold approximately how much urine? The correct answer is half liter. Which of the following correctly describes the position of the two kidneys relative to each other? The correct answer is right kidney is lower and the left kidney is slightly larger. Which of the following correctly differentiates between the renal sinus and renal hilum?
Quiet oceans, they kiss your feet.
The correct answer is hilum is the convex region in the medial depression and renal sinus is hollow inside the medial depression. Which of the following statements about the kidney's blood supply is correct?
Snowballs to your breath. How can
correct answer is kidney receive 20% of total blood but constitute only 1% of the total body mass. Which of the following is the most toxic nitrogenous waste product?
The mirrors are slanted.
The correct answer is ammonia. The chemical nature of ammonia is
My reflection still there. The marquees, they all read.
the correct answer is alkaline. The animals that excrete ammonia as their primary nitrogenous waste are called
Appearing nowhere.
The correct answer is ammonotalic. The least toxic nitrogenous waste product is
Appearing nowhere. Now appearing nowhere.
the correct answer is uric acid. Ammonia is produced in aquatic animals and is excreted in which form? The correct answer is gaseous and aqueous form.